YouTube, what's poppin', man? It's King Bril coming at you again with another video, man. And if you felt offended by the jokes earlier, it's okay, because this video is made to help you, man. Help people like you, help people like me, help us figure out what we're supposed to do when we got, you know, certain things going on with ourselves, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't feel offended. The top hair tips and tricks for people with weird shaped heads, hairlines, all that other type stuff coming up now. Let's get to it.
This what I'm finna set up for y'all. Whoever ain't with this, don't even ask me for nothing.
So one of the most common ailments that a lot of guys have, man, and I actually have this myself, is growing your hair out, you know, having hair, taking care of your hair when you got a big ass forehead. You know what I'm saying? Navigating your hair when you got a big ass forehead can be tough, man, cause look, I got a big forehead and my head is kind of big this way, but my forehead is more so wide, and having the wideness mixed with that makes it big. And then I got an overall big ass head anyway. You know what I mean? So when you got a big ass forehead, one of the first things you gotta realize is you cannot afford to lose your corners to receding hairlines. You know what I'm saying? Some of us already got big foreheads and receding hairlines, but you gotta try to save it as much as possible. That starts by making sure that you're taking care of your hair. And if you got a big ass forehead, you definitely wanna make sure that you be mindful not to get styles that stretch your skin back. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to be pulling your skin back. Like right now, I have my hair in this ponytail and my forehead is on the max, like tight ponytails. Things like, you want to kind of stay away from those styles if you're sensitive about having a big ass forehead. Those things pull your hairline back. So you want to make sure you got a nice little taper at the front. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if you can actually see it, but you don't gotta be much, just a little bit of wiggle room to keep that from pulling back your actual hairline. You feel me? That's what I do, just so I make sure that I don't lose, or gain rather, no extra forehead. My bad, bonus tip. If you got a big ass forehead, you also can kind of, you know, cover it up if you add like a little swag. You know what I'm saying? Get you some hats, or maybe get you like a little like bandana, or get you like the Nike headband. The headband game will keep you in the game. Alright, for sure, we moving on to the next one. This one is gonna be directly the opposite. This is for all three of y'all small forehead people watching. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about the eyebrow forehead folks. Yeah, y'all seen them people, man. I'm talking about like that, like they can't even do this right here because their hairline is like right here beside the, did I just hiccup? The waves might be straight, but maybe the afro ain't your deal. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all out here with the small forehead syndrome look like Paul George back in the day. I'm just saying, that's how y'all be looking. It's only a couple of y'all out here, but that's how y'all be looking. And you see what Paul George did? Bow. He put the braids in. It actually looks fire, man, because it pulls back and it kind of gives you a normal looking forehead. You feel me? But I know you gotta kind of go through an afro phase to get to braids. I just want to say, if you got a small forehead, bro, be wary. Hairline starts right here, and your afro kind of grows right here first and then goes around to the back, because it just makes your head overall look a weird shape. So just make sure your barber know to kind of, hey, I got a small forehead. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of push it up a little bit. Don't let my joint kind of, okay, this one is gonna hit home, because you know what I'm saying, part of the reason why I have a big forehead is because I'm a part of this community also. Soldier Boy hairline syndrome. Soldier Boy hairline syndrome is when your natural hairline isn't just a little off, but it's like this. You know what I'm saying? Like a step show. That's how your hairline be looking. You know what I'm saying? So if you can see mine, it's kind of hard, that's why I ain't lining myself up. This part right here is back, and it kind of slopes around like that and comes right here. Understand that the barber and the clippers are gonna be your best friend. You know what I'm saying? I recommend you need some trimmers, all right? Not no trimmers, you need some outliners, okay? So you can you know what I'm saying, to get that line up. It might be a time where, you know, you ain't got time to go to the barber, and you just need to, the barber, he might have to push one side back, or he might even have to get him with the. Also, if you got Soldier Boy hairline syndrome, man, if you got waves, ooh, it's gonna be hard to avoid it, man, if you don't actually, if you can't actually line up your own hair or get real acquainted and real close with a barber. So, man, I would suggest doing exactly what me and Soldier Boy did with our hairlines, man. We actually grew our hair out. Because you see by this photo of Soldier Boy, you can't even tell, like, that his hair is, like, what it is. You know what I'm saying? Even on this video, I'm gonna try to find the video and put it up here. And if I can't put it up here, then you're just not even gonna see this part of the video. But you know what I'm saying? You can even tell that my hairline was kind of crooked because it's like the hair's in the way, so you don't really even see the damage. And this last one isn't necessarily hair related, but it's head related. I don't like talking about other men's head.
Hey, yo!
When you got a weird shaped head, so when you got a weird shaped head, one of the ways that you kind of get around it or make it not look so weird outside of just embracing it, because you need to love you before you worry about doing any of this stuff I'm about to tell you. One of these ways is to get that box fade. Not a real box fade, but that kind of higher, you know, higher fade type, man. You can really use that to cover up a lot of head shape issues, man. And just flat out having long hair in general, man. Like, I don't know if you guys used to watch iCarly like I did. Watch iCarly because my sister was watching iCarly like I did. But it used to be this dude up there. I'm gonna put a picture of him right here. And I never knew. I just, okay, cool dude, got long hair and whatnot. I didn't know his hair was like a weird shape until he cut it, bro. And I was like, oh my God, what? And it was because, you know, the hair hit it well. It complemented his head shape well, man. So if, you know what I'm saying, if you have like the pointy head, maybe the hair coming down to the sides like he had might do it. Or maybe some of y'all got like a light bulb flat at the top where it's like the top of your head is like, use the hair to compensate, or no, not compensate, to kind of, you know what I'm saying? To the shape of your head, bro. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like, you still proud of it. Don't get it wrong. You're not trying to hide it. You're still proud of who you are and what head shape you got. But it's just, you know, you want to do things that complement it. You know what I'm saying? Hairstyles that complement it. You feel me? So, with that being said, man, if you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comments. If you guys got any more tips to give people who might struggle with some of the things that me and some of these other people struggle with, man, leave them down in the comments, because of course we joke with each other, we fry each other, but we really a family. We really want to make sure that after we fry these people, that we give them some tips to actually, you know, help them out, man, because there's no malice, man. It's all love, man. Just like brothers, man, we gonna fry your ass and we want you to get better. With that being said, man, this video is sponsored by Rich Royals Luxuries. Make sure y'all slide over to richroyals.com. And I'm King Bril, and that's the video, folks. Until next week, peace.